Today I have a few items here that I've collected. Cool little mini figurines for the dollhouse. Cool for the little kitties. I collected them from various different places like the Dollar Tree and Target and, Big Lots. I just kind of one day just went around and looked at a few things just went looking to see what we had. So I found this cutie. They had, of course, various other ones. This is from the Trolls, Trolltopia. And I bought this figurine. I love the purple hair. I love the little black outfit and the little studs. Let's open her up. Okay, let's see. She came with a paper here, which are just instructions, warning us of small parts, maybe a choking hazard. But look at her. She is really, really pretty. I don't know if you can see, but she has a little skull detail in her hair. Little spiky bracelets on her wrists, one on her belt, two little hairs all up. Oh, look at that. She's got multiple little earrings. An earring over here. She's really super cute. I think we may have to paint the little bit of accessories to make them pop. But she's a really cute little figurine here. Okay, and then I found this 12 to Collect Series 1 of the Trolls World Tour. You see that in the back. This is in a little heart shape. They had different shapes. I just kind of picked one just to see what it was all about. Kind of curious. They look like they're tiny. They would make really cute little toys for the kids. The little dolls in our dollhouse. Let's see, I'm going to keep that like that. Okay, we got packaging here. Oh, look at that. Looks like the box you can turn into glasses. There's 12 to collect. Let's look on the inside. Oh, yeah, here's the little figurines we can get. Series 1. It says you can wear and share. I guess in your hair, on your fingers. It's really cute. And then it came with this as well. Showing you the same thing, how you can wear them. 12 to collect in Series 1. A little guide here with a checklist. So you can check off all the ones that you've got. So that's cool. So now let's see what we got. Little heart. Open her up. Yeah, check that out. You click it in. Just like with this, you click, and the packaging turns in these cool little glasses. Of course, they're clear plastic, so they wouldn't be for the sun, but they're cool little glasses to wear around. It says Trolls on the side. That's really neat. I like when the packaging, you can use them for fun stuff. I'll keep that there. This comes in a purple pack. Question marks. Got a little troll inside. Oh! Comes with a ring. And look at that. Oh, look at that beautiful hair. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at her. Oh, wow. Might have to comb it a little to get it to go. It looks like it has box hair. But oh my god, she is so so pretty, you guys. You can see the little flowers in her hair. She's got a little guitar. I am so excited. I'm so excited. Look at this cutie and her little head bobbles back and forth. She comes with a little ring shown as above for the kids to wear. A little big for me, but still cute. So it looks like there's a peg back here. Put that on, and there she goes, wearing on my little fingertips. She is super adorable. That face. Oh, she's so cute. I might have to get another one. Speaking of having to get another one, I love that robot so much from last time. I bought another one just to see what I got. These are super cute. So I had to buy another one just to see what I got. I don't know. These are super addictive. Okay, we got more warnings on the side. Oh, there's my kitty friend here. She heard plastic. It's hard to do any of these without getting her attention. And same thing as usual. Open up the box here. Let's see what we got. Okay. We got this cool little cube. I don't know if you remember last time, but it came with a big, huge set of instructions. There's a camper that's on this apparently. It comes with little pieces so you can build a camper. Okay, there's a little zipper over here, and it's just the same as before. Got a little robot, tells you all the things that you get inside, shows you the little extra piece for the camper. There's 15 to collect. Okay, so let's see what we got here. And we've got this beautiful heart in the middle with the lightning. It says l.o.l. Tiny Toys. Okay, so ay, baby, that was my kitty trying to get into the window here. But as you can see in this box, this cool little thing. Looks like there's a hairspray. There we go. I had it upside down. Hairspray, makeup, hair extensions. It's really cute. And then of course, like the other one, they have this tiny little box. Shows you the different figurines you can collect. I like them because it's like a tiny little magazine paper. Really cute. I like that. This time we got two. Last time I didn't have a piece, so let's see. I got a piece of the camper this time. Looks like a foot thing to hold for them to stand on. And then here's the robot. What kind of robot I got? Ooh, I see purpley sparkly hair. Oh, she's pretty. Purple sparkly hair. You can see the little silver. She's got a little heart right here. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my god. Oh, so pretty. And of course, she sits right here. You know what? You didn't come with another piece. Maybe that grill was piece of the camper. Anyways, there's that. And we got a piece of the camper. This is a cool little thing. Now that I have two of them, I may be able to glue them and do the other part. And you can have a flip through little book, you know, like that. Ooh, that might be fun. I got two of these, so that's always nice. And then I found these too at the dollar store. Cute little My Little Ponies. Now I like these ones a little bit better as I was looking at them. These guys are smaller than the blind bags, it looks like. And I thought that would be cute for the playhouse for the little kitties. Now this is a rarity. It's beautiful see-through white. You can see a little cutie marks. A little wink. So these were really cute. And these were at the dollar store. They had all of them. I may get all of them because let's face it, they they are pretty darn cute. You know, even though I do have a whole set from the blind bags of the crystal ponies. This is Twilight Sparkle, her horn and her wings. Little cutie mark. You can see her eyes are both open. Hair from behind to the side. Twilight Sparkle's coming to say hi. Yeah? Alright, good. She doesn't want to chew her up like she did with the Hulk. And then I found these cool guys there. G.I.Joes. 6 to collect, it said. So I picked up 2. Also for the same reason. I think it would be really cool in the dollhouse. Really great toys for the kids. Okay, well, there's no articulation. Looks like he's a solid figurine, but he's got lots of detail. You can see pockets, buttons, wrinkle creases, whatever this thing is, some sort of design here. You can see pouches, and it's really, really tiny. I know you probably can't see, but there's tops to the pouches and the pouches. It goes all the way around. Yeah. He's got this backpack. There's a shovel. There's some canisters here. Gloves. You can see his fingers. He's got a side holster. Pockets. Ankles. So this is really neat. And of course for the boys. For the kids. I think he would be cute. And if you have a Joe, you have to have a Cobra. So I picked up one of these guys. I picked up the red one instead of the red ninja instead of Snake Eyes or something like that, because he was all solid black. Be kind of hard to see. And that was the only one. I think there was one more Joe. I didn't see anybody else except for the red ninja, which the red ninja fighting Snake Eyes would have been pretty cool too. But I figured go with the Joe, go with this one. We'll see if I see any. You know, immense detail. Like you can see all the little plates, guard things he has on him, rivets, hands, pouches, I mean buckles. You can see all sorts of stuff. Crazy, crazy detail. This might be really cool if you paint them. You can get a little more, you can see more of their detail on there. But I got a Joe and a Cobra for the kitties. And of course I saw these at the dollar store as well. These frozen little keychains. It's really, ooh, it's a really nice picture back here. And I bought this guy who doesn't love Olaf. And they had the two girls too. Debating whether I would like those to be the kitty dolls as well. But I really liked Olaf, so I got him for right now. You can see his little nose. There's some detail here. His little twigs, his little arms. I mean, so super adorably cute. And of course, you know, we could take this off the back, and then it'll make him a cute little figurine for the kitties, or somewhere to hang up, you know, on one of the shelves. So this is the mini haul. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, comment, and share. Tell me which ones were your faves in these little mini hauls of fun stuff that I find at the different stores to go to. It's always fun to go looking, shopping, thinking about minis, stuff for your little dollhouse. Well, thank you for watching. Bye!